Well, hello there, Judge.
All good. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bexar County Court at Law number 6 and the Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court Arraignment Docket. Today is Tuesday. Let me look and make sure. Yep. Tuesday, the 24th of August, 2021. There are 3 questions I'm going to ask you today. Number 1, are you in contact with your defendant? Number 2, have you received an offer from the state? And number 3, do you know what you want to do? Whether you're going to work a deal with the state for a plea bargain, or you need to be on our jury trial docket, which I think is in October now.
November now.
Our 2 DAs are Megan Galloway and Guillermo Flores, and they'll be happy to chat with you, and they'll give you the contact information whenever you desire to get that. All right. Starting off with Ray Martinez with us today, or Victoria. I think I see Victoria out there somewhere.
Yes.
Victoria, talk to me about Eric Ruiz, please.
You're muted.
Damn it.
Thank you. Sorry. No. I have contact with Mr. Ruiz. I have received a viable offer. He has a lot of videos and I haven't been able to finish watching them. We've been getting reset for the last 2 weeks in a row for about a month now. So if I could have one last reset that's longer than 2 weeks, I know I can make a decision. It's just this guy wants to come in and view this discovery and it's a lot. But I have an offer that I may be accepting.
My mic keep turning off. I'm going to reset you for 30 days with the understanding if you figure it out before then, just let Pat know. Will that work?
Yes, that's exactly what I need, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. And have y'all got Ruben Rios also?
Yes, that one I think I'm going to have to go ahead and put on the trial docket.
All right.
All right. It's now in November 1st.
Okay. And you are in contact with Mr. Rios, though, correct?
Yes, they're both.
All good. You need an offer from the state, or have you already gotten one and you threw it back at them?
I have received an offer, but we're not inclined to take it at this time.
I got you. Got anybody else today? That's all I see for you.
That's it, Your Honor.
All right. Thanks for your help. You're out of here. Jonathan Perez, are you with us?
Yes, sir. I'm here, Judge.
Jonathan, talk to me about Daniela Garcia, please.
All right, Judge. Daniela Garcia, we received an offer. I've conferred with Mr. Flores. We're going to be accepting that offer. We just need to get paperwork and all that signed. And I was seeing if we could reset us out for a date to take that offer.
Okay. You can have this Thursday or next Thursday. Which one would you like?
Let's do this Thursday. That sounds good.
Pat, can we do
Okay,
that?
I need the email address immediately so I can send it as soon as we finish.
You got it. I'll send it to you in a chat right now.
Okie doke. That takes care
I
of that
would
one.
rather you would send it email, please, Jonathan.
Okay, yeah, not a problem. Not a problem.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am.
Jonathan, talk to me about Raymond Herod.
Okay, and Mr. Herod's case, Judge, the state's made an offer. I will be needing to pick up some of the discovery by hand, Judge. There's some transmissions that they're alleging in this harassment case, but I'm not able to view them on my computer. I don't know if the file's in a weird format, but if I could get Mr. Flores or Ms. Galloway to prepare that so I can go pick it up, Judge.
I think we can do that. Is that okay with you, State?
Yes, Your Honor.
How much time you need, State?
I will say, Your Honor, a week or 2.
Let's do that. Jonathan, let's reset you for 30 days with the understanding if you get it figured out before then, just let Pat know. Will that work?
Yes, sir.
All right. That buys y'all some time to do that. You got anybody else today? I think that's all I see for you.
That's all.
All right. Andrew Del Cueto. Is Andrew with us?
No, it's Taylor, Judge, from our office.
Oh, no. They keep making you do all the dirty work.
No, you should be.
Talk to me about Antonio Aguilar, please.
Yes, Judge, this case on March 8th went for a DWI court evaluation. He was rejected by DWI court saying that he did not meet the legal criteria, and they referred him to vet court. We did the vet court application and all of the assessments needed for the vet court application to be processed, and the DA came back on August 2nd and said we should refer him to DWI court, that they weren't going to let him into vet court. So just wondering if you have any direction for us.
State, what's going on with Mr. Aguilar that is too aggravated for VTC, or what is the issue on VTC? Do we know?
Judge, Mr. Aguilar has 2 pending DWIs.
Oh, he certainly does. Look at that.
So that is the reason that he was referred to DWI court. I don't know why he was not accepted in DWI court. But as far as Veterans Court goes, one of the DWIs is prior to 2019, and one of them has a car accident. So those are the reasons that it was denied for Veterans Court.
Okay. Have you made an offer to the defense that they can take to do DWI court, or you want DWI court to make them the offer?
I believe that Ms. Wood stated he's already been rejected from DWI court. Is that correct?
Yes, he did.
Why was he rejected from DWI court?
The reason they gave was he does not meet legal criteria, refer to vet court.
Like throwing things back and forth. All right. So he's still going to be in County Court 6. State, if you would, take a look at that. You don't have to do it overnight. Get in the next week or two and fire them off a reasonable offer as best you can under the circumstances, taking into consideration the fact the guy was a veteran, what I call collateral VTC or VTC light. He will not be in the VTC, but he will still get credit for being in the military. But if you can stay in contact with the defense and let them know what you can and can't do, we'll go from there. Will that work?
Will do.
Taylor?
Will do, Judge.
Yes, thank you, Judge.
Let's reset that one for 30 days with the understanding if y'all figure it out before then, just let Pat know.
Okay, thank you.
All right. You got anybody else today, Taylor? Is that it?
That's it.
I think you're out of here. Gammon, are you with us today?
Your Honor, this is the second time that Mr. Gwynn at this point has not shown up. One of the called the office and said that he had been trying to get a hold of Mr. Gwynn, but that now the number that the court gave him, which is in the system, the phone number is disconnected. Your Honor, if he does not show today, I'm gonna get with court admin and see if there is something going on with him. And then if it is, then if you agree, reassign.
Has the defendant ever met with Gammon?
All I know, Your Honor, at this point was that the number that he had tried to contact Gammon was disconnected. So I don't know. I would need to contact each one of his.
I've got a cell number on Gammon. When I get to a break, I'll text him and see maybe if we can track him down. In the meantime, if we don't hear from Gammon today, assign a new attorney for Mr. Lohman, if that's okay with Mr. Lohman.
Well, there's 4 of them on the docket today, so.
Well, each and every one of them. We can't get up with Gammon for whatever reason. That's all we can do.
Okay, Your Honor, that's all I needed to know.
All right, so we got James Lohman, we got Matthew Garcia, we've got Jonathan Mariscal, and we've got Randy Domingo Reyna. Does that sound right?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
I'll text Gammon here in a second. Leslie Herbst, are you with us?
Not at this point, Your Honor.
Carolyn Wentland, are you with us?
Not at this point, Your Honor.
Kirk Sherman, are you with us?
Not at this point, Your Honor.
Neil Kalfas, are you with us?
Your Honor, I'm here for Mr. Kalfas.
Great. What's going on with Julian Michael Alveda, please?
If I could confer with the state on that one, Judge, I'd appreciate that.
You can, but you can't do it while we're doing arraignment. So you want a week to get confirmed?
Yes, if I could. Thank you, Judge.
Let's do that. And state, go ahead and send them an offer on Mr. Alveda if you haven't already. And then y'all can confer till the cows come home. Do you have anybody else today or is that it?
Just that, Judge.
All right, thanks. You're out of here. Judge Mitchell.
Your Honor, that has been 1 week.
Okay.
That were for direct shipping.
And Pat Valentine.
Afternoon, Judge.
Talk to me about Fidel Munoz, please.
Fidel Munoz, we were tendered an offer last week from the state. I was just talking to Mr. Munoz. If you give me a few minutes, I can probably give you an answer of where we're going.
Is Mr. Munoz online with us today?
No, but I was speaking with him on the phone.
Okay. Do you want to just take a break and go talk to him, or do you want to reset it for next week? What would you like to do?
If I could come back and see you in 10 minutes, that'd be great.
Sure. All good. Thanks. Mr. Engelke, are you with us today?
Yes, sir.
Talk to me about Jennifer Aguilar, please.
We received an offer from the state. I believe Ms. Aguilar would like to accept it. Obviously, I've been in communication with her. So I guess we just need some time to get the paperwork prepared.
Okay, so it is a plea. Can you do the plea
Yes, I think so.
Thursday at 2?
How about the following week? Let me look.
Okay, the 2nd at 2?
Yes,
Okay. Let's schedule it for 9/2 at 2 o'clock. Please
Okay.
send me the email address so I can send the paperwork.
okay, I'll do that.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thanks, Keith. Matthew
Okay.
Brown,
Afternoon, Your Honor.
talk to me about Kim Dietz, please.
So I've received an offer from the state on Ms. Dietz. Unfortunately, I've had no contact with her. So I just need some more time, hopefully, to get in touch with her. The 2 numbers I have just don't work. And I
Have you
think
ever-
I got those from pretrial services, actually.
Okay, have you ever spoken to Ms. Dietz?
Not that I recall, no.
How long have you been trying to find her?
I would say at least maybe 60 days. It's hard.
right.
I'd have to go look.
I'm going to issue an FTA warrant on her this afternoon, which probably will take effect tomorrow morning. And if you find her, let me know and I'll pull it back, okay?
Yes, sir, will do.
That's all we can do. And you've also got Mario Gonzalez, please.
I do. I have contact with Mr. Gonzalez, received an offer, and I just need some time to speak with him. I think the offer's good, and we'll probably end up pleading.
So reset a week, we'll work on that one.
Yes, sir, sounds good.
Let's do that. And that's all I got for you that I see.
That's it.
All right, thanks. You're out of here.
Thank you,
Austin
Judge.
Hagee, are you with us?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Talk to me about Miguel Vieira, please.
I think we're very close to accepting a plea. I've talked to my client about it. I just wanted to keep confirming with the prosecutors if I could just have one more reset.
Yep. Reset one more week, give you time to do that. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
Got anybody else today or is that it?
That's it for me, Your Honor.
You must be slowing down. We normally save you about 2 pages full of people.
Well, I think I still have my colleague Ross is in here. I think he's got a few too.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Thanks for your help.
Your Honor, Gammon has come in.
Good. Gammon, are you with us?
He just was checking in, Your Honor.
Okay. I see where he's coming in.
There you go.
Gammon, can you hear me? Gammon, turn on your microphone. There you go. Can you hear me now, Gammon? Earth to Gammon, come in. What's going on? Do we have any idea?
I do not, Your Honor.
All right, we'll come back to him if, as, and when he's able to communicate.
Okay, Your Honor, next would,
Eric DeWalt, are you with us? Eric DeWalt.
Sorry, Judge, I need time to unmute. I am
Okay.
here on Mike Rico. I got an offer from the state. I just got it, so I haven't conveyed it to my client. I'd like to talk to the state because I don't like the offer. So I was wondering if you can give me a week.
Done. Got anybody else or is that it?
That's it.
All right, thanks for your help. You're out of here. Cecil, I see you lurking. Talk to me about Isabella Sanchez, please.
The answer to your questions are yes, yes, and yes.
Wonderful. What are we gonna do?
We're waiting for a status report on the pretrial diversion app.
Ah, I like it. State, have you actually physically put in your application for pretrial diversion?
Yes, Your Honor.
How long ago?
Let me look at the date stamp on it. Doesn't have one. Right after the last setting.
All right, let's go ahead and reset that for 30 days, pretrial diversion pending.
She has,
Whenever that comes up, that way we don't keep bringing you back every week. We're waiting on the state.
I got it. 30 days.
And that's all I got for you, Cecil, I think.
Yes.
Thanks. You're out of here. Judge Jimenez is with us today.
Your Honor, Judge Jimenez has not checked in. And this is the one that they also share with Mr. Dittman.
And Mr. Hicks.
And Mr. Hicks.
And we have signed in.
Yes,
Deadeye
ma'am.
is here.
Mr.
Dead-
Dickman, do me a
Deadeye
favor.
is here.
Next time you talk to Judge Jimenez, tell him I'm gonna start spreading rumors he's in rehab. He hasn't shown up in like 2 months.
Yes, sir. We have ways of making him talk, Your Honor.
Okay, well, I'm gonna leave that to you. And this is on Mr. Purcell, correct?
Ms. Purcell, yes.
And I think last time we talked, Robert, you said that you guys were close to working a deal, but you didn't have Tony's input on it. Was that kind of where we still are?
Our deal is TIC the case, pending a plea on Tony's end. And so pending that, I mean, we've done about as much as we can do. I mean, you can't ask for anything better than a dismissal.
Is Judge Jimenez appointed or retained on?
He is retained.
Okay. Let me write a note. I've got his cell number. I'll light him up this afternoon.
And then there's one more case we have with you. And while you're writing that note, sir, you saw my target. My wife and I both qualified.
I did. Well done.
Thank you.
I'm not going to make any loud noises around you.
And I couldn't use the laser either. I had to do
Yeah,
it
no,
by
that's not
iron
the
sights.
All right.
That was even better.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
All right. Basically, I'm going to put you guys on another week hold just so I can get up. I'll get up with Judge Jimenez and see what's going on with that and make sure he gets in contact with you. And that's all we need to do on that one, I'm guessing. Would that sound right?
Yes, sir. Correct. The other case,
Jesse Edwards, what's going on with him?
we don't like the offer. I mean, we prefer a dismissal because it's a crap case. And so either that or if they're not willing to dismiss it, then he wants to stay in court.
Reset it for a jury trial, please, Pat. And if they work something out in the interim, one way or the other, that's okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It'd be
All right.
November 1st.
Can I have it any day other than November 1st? That's All Saints Day. As a Catholic, I can't work that day. It's a holy day of
Okay.
obligation.
November 2nd.
Whatever the next Monday is, I'll set it for that.
Thank you.
8th, I believe.
All right. Thanks, Robert. You guys are out of here.
Aye, aye, sir.
Suzanne, are you with us today? Yes, you are. Talk to me about
am.
Stephanie Lopez, who said apparently is a fugitive. Is that correct?
She is, and she's going to stay a fugitive. I had some contact with her. I actually got the PTD applications to her. I know she got them because we discussed it, but I've not gotten anything back. And she's been dark for God since the last setting.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess we already do have a warrant out for her. do we
Yeah.
not?
So yeah.
All
On,
right, good.
on both cases, I believe.
If she shows up, let me know and I'll
I
pull
will.
the
I
warrant.
told her, let me know within a few days, but yeah.
All right.
And then the next one
Daniel
is Daniel
Armendariz.
Armendariz. We still, and I did email your prosecutors on this. It's a fairly new case, and I do not have full discovery yet on that, but I did let your prosecutors know, so I'm sure they'll be letting me know that they're looking into that.
What discovery do you need on an evading case?
It's a evading on foot bike patrol, and the only videos that I have in my e-discovery are after he's already down on the ground and handcuffed, and I would like to see, something evading something. I got nothing.
Suzanne, I emailed you regarding this.
Did you?
I did. So I do believe that we are in possession of all of the discovery. I have sent an additional request, but I specifically sent you a video where the beginning is partially caught
Did you
on.
send this? Like if in
this
the last,
morning.
oh yes, I would not have seen that. Okay. No worries. Okay, so see the state's on it. I emailed them and they're on it.
All right, let's reset 2 weeks on that one to make sure you get your discovery and we'll go from there. Will that work?
That sounds great.
My favorite bike patrol cases are the ones where somebody in a car does something to one of them and then tries to get away and gets stuck in traffic and the bike patrol catches up to them. Those are my favorite cases.
I mean, I don't know what it is because all I see is, I mean, I know what they alleged that he did. Something at a Walgreens. So there might be even Walgreens surveillance video. I don't know. Megan would know.
All right, thanks, Susan.
Okay, see you later.
It was
Bye-bye.
Whataburger.
Oh, I thought it was.
James Altersdorf.
He is not checked in, Your Honor.
Tim Roundtree, I see you. Talk to me about Mason Denton.
Judge, I'm in contact. We have an offer. We're going to set it for trial at this time, please.
All right, jury trial on Mr. Denton. And I've also got you on a Albi de Esquivel de los Santos, it appears.
That's correct, Judge. I'm in good contact. I have an offer and we'd like to set it for trial.
We're gonna have, November's gonna be Tim Roundtree month, I can see.
It is. It is, Your Honor.
And that's fine. Tim, I only have you for 2. Do you have any more than that?
That's all I have today. I have a plea tomorrow.
All right,
Yeah.
we'll go out and find some more defendants.
Or actually not tomorrow, Thursday. Yeah.
If anybody knows any affluent defendants, please have them call Tim Roundtree. He likes those.
Yeah. Even semi-affluent, that's fine.
All right, thanks. Frank Sandoval, talk to me.
Your Honor, that's going to be a plea.
All right, great. Lisa Voigt, are you with us?
Your Honor, that is going to be reset for 2 weeks. She was going to try to get in contact with Chris about VTC.
Okay.
On this.
Chris, is Chris on with us today?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Chris, is this Tyree Hunt on your radar for VTC application?
It is, Judge, pending getting in contact with the attorney. This guy's been kind of in and out on another charge as well. So I'll keep you posted on what transpires.
All right, all good, thanks.
Chris, I gave Ms. Voigt your work number to call you.
All good.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Mike Valachek, are you on board today?
Yes.
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
I'm talking about Alex Lobig, it looks like.
He is a veteran, and I talked to him this morning because I thought I had emailed him all of Chris's information, but I hadn't. So we wrote down the phone numbers on the phone this morning. So he should have called Chris this morning.
Chris, did you get a call this morning from Mr. Lobig?
You were broken up, Judge. I couldn't hear you.
Yeah, I say again, did you get a call from Mr. Lobig this morning?
Negative, Judge. Nothing's come through via voicemail, which would pop up in the email, and then nothing on the cell phone.
Mike, let's reset for another week so you can get your guy in touch with Chris. That work?
Okay, I gave him all the numbers and the email, so we'll get it done, Judge. Thanks.
It probably needs a little motivation. You're good at that. All right, thanks. John Robinson, are you with us?
Your Honor, I don't have him checked in.
Ross Brendale, are you with us?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Have you got any current traumas? I think I get more traumas from you on a daily basis than any 3 lawyers I know. It's pretty exciting.
Yeah, I have a lot of cases in this court, so you'll hear from me a lot.
Talk to me about Priscilla Herrera, please.
I've talked to her, and we're leaning towards entering a plea. However, I'd like to talk to the prosecution more about maybe one of the offers, the probationary period. So I was hoping we could reset it maybe for another week, just so that I
can. Sent you an initial offer already?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's reset for a week. You can fine tune it. Fair enough.
Okay, sounds good.
And I've also got you on a Daniela Mercado.
Yeah, I've been looking at that also, and I'm still in the process of reviewing everything, just to, so that I can make a stronger recommendation to her as far as accepting the plea or not. So if I could have another week for that, that should give me plenty of time to do that.
Oh, no problem. Did you get an offer from the state on that initially?
Yes, I did.
All right, great. Reset that one for a week, give you all time to wrestle. And I've got you down for a Paul Klosterman.
I received a offer on that today, but this morning, and I'd like to reset it so that I can discuss it with them.
No problem. You're in contact with Mr. Klosterman, apparently, correct?
Oh yeah. He
great.
calls me a lot.
Talk to me about Joel Guerrero, please.
That's a case, a newer case I have, and I got an offer this morning, so I need to contact him and discuss it. And, I've heard from him this morning, so.
All right. So we'll reset that for a week also. Does that sound good?
Yes.
And that's all I got for you, I think.
So everything reset for a week?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. I appreciate it.
Go get to work. You got a lot to do.
I do.
All right,
Appreciate it.
thanks.
Bye.
Daniel De La Garza, are you with us today? Wait, John Robinson just showed up. Let me back up.
Yes, Your Honor. And so did Mr. Oldswell.
Good. John, talk to me about Stephen Quintana, excuse me.
Mr. Quintana has been in jail for about 6 months on a DWI, but the jail record will reflect that he's being held on a parole violation. Yes. So the toxicology report has not come back yet on this case. I've spoken with Mr. Flores just this morning regarding the toxicology report. If you've got anything, Mr. Flores.
Yes, Mr. Robinson, I'll give you a call after Docket if you're available, so we can, I have some news for you.
Okay, sure. And that's where we stand. The defendant wasn't, he's adamant in that was not intoxicated on the day of the drive. And if, he's saying he doesn't want to take a plea bargain because of it. And even if he did, it was my advice that he wait for at least a toxicology report, before he makes any determination. And while he's waiting, a bond reduction wouldn't do him any good, seeing as there's the parole hold.
All right, Pat, let's set Mr. Quintana for jury trial, just so I don't have to keep bringing everybody back every week and bothering them. And then if it worked out or come up with a plan, John, just let Pat know. Otherwise, it's going to be November and you'll hear from us again.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
All good? Thanks.
Bye.
And Jim Oltersdorf, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Welcome back. Talk to me about Jamie Tamayo, or Jaime Tamayo, maybe.
Jaime Tamayo, the number that I got, we didn't have one last time. I got one. It when you call the number, it makes a loud, shrill noise, kind of like it might be a fax number. And that's all I was able to come up with from.
Have you ever had contact with him before?
Judge, I know I have. My memory serves me, I've had some call from him at some point, but not in the last few weeks. I do not recall anything recently.
I'm going to have to issue an FTA on him. If you find him, call me or let me know and I'll pull the warrant back.
Yes, sir.
And maybe he'll resurface somewhere down the line. That's the only case I've got for you today, I think.
Yes. Your Honor, Mr. Valentine is back with the Del Munoz. Remember, he was going to talk to him.
Let's see. Stand by. Yeah, Patrick, what's going on with Mr. Munoz?
I spoke to Mr. Munoz. He likes the state's offer. He just wants to come in and view the video to make sure it was him who got arrested, not some stranger.
Okay.
And maybe could I have till next Thursday?
Sure.
Thank you.
So just tentatively, Pat, set that for tentative, not absolute positive plea or something on Thursday. And then, of course, if it doesn't work out, Pat will let us know by Thursday.
Yeah, just let me know before then, Mr. Valentine. Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks. And back on track here. Daniel De La Garza, are you with us today?
I do not have him sound in, Your Honor.
Wayne Young, are you with us today?
I don't have him sign in, Your Honor.
Ron Zimmerman, I see you. Talk to me about Jacob Lopez, please.
Yes, Judge. I have been in contact with him earlier this month. Since then, we've been playing phone tag. I have received an offer from the state, although I need some clarification on that offer. And we would like to confer further with the state.
Will 1 week give you enough time or you need more?
Actually, a week should be fine, Judge, but I am absolutely booked up on next Tuesday. If I could have the following Tuesday or any time in between, just not Tuesday the 31st.
Reset 2 weeks from now, Pat, and if Ron gets it worked out or something changes, he'll let you know.
Of course.
Okay. All right.
That's all I got for you, I think, Ron. I don't see any more.
That's it.
Lena Carriedo, are you with us today?
She is.
Hello, Judge. Good afternoon.
Hey, talk to me about Janet Bonilla.
Okay, so we got an offer from state judge and I discussed it with my client. She will accept the offer. So if Miss Pat could please put us in your plea docket.
Okay, so can she do it this Thursday or next Thursday at 2?
I think next Thursday would be better, Miss Pat.
Okay. I just need her email address. Please just email it to me and I'll send the paperwork and stuff.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lena. You're out of here. Miguel Hernandez, are you on board today?
Your Honor, that one has been reset. Now we do have Mr. Gammon was on. We lost him. Mr. Bunk is on, but I'm not quite sure for who.
I haven't seen a case for Charles yet. Where's Charles at?
I'm right here. I'm told it's John Trinell Williams. I think it's John Trinell Williams.
Yeah.
Let me look at my
reset.
He's got a felony. He's got a bunch of felonies pending, but I got an email from y'all to be here, so here I am.
Okay, I got to double.
Cause number is 665-918.
55918.
Yes, ma'am. 665-918.
Charles, has the legal racket slowed down? So now you're working on offshore oil rigs? Is that what's
money's better off here, and the fishing's better.
Mr. Bunk, he was reset to 1013.
Okay, perfect.
You got
it. Was nice to see everybody.
It sure was.
Take care.
Bye.
Sean Sheffield with us today. Tony Jimenez is with us. Judge Tony, come on over.
Yes, Judge, I'm happy to report that we are going to plead out these two cases.
Okay.
Whenever the court sets them.
Okay, Judge Jimenez, we can do it this Thursday at 2:00 or next Thursday at 2:00, whichever is better for you.
Okay, let me just run over here real quick.
Of course.
They do that and then we'll never see them again. That's how that lawyer stuff works.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Next Thursday.
Next Thursday at 2:00. Just send me her email address, okay?
Okay, Judge, could I ask you a question?
Sure.
On the DWI, it's with the SSM half. Is there any alternative to that, like a mobile or something?
What do we got him on?
We got her on.
Her on.
Yeah, it's
Smart Start Mobile?
well, not right now, but that would be the condition for probation. I'm asking, is there an alternative to that?
Scram.
Okay. Well, let me just talk to her, but we do have a deal, Judge. I'll do everything, and then I might approach you about that too.
Okay. Have you coordinated with Mr. Dittman and Mr. Hicks so they know that y'all have a deal? Because a minute ago they didn't know.
Yes, I just got off the phone with him.
All right, perfect. Okay.
So,
We'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Thank you, Judge. Take
You
care.
bet.
Thank you.
Gammon never came back on, I guess.
He did not. He was there. He was having trouble, Your Honor. I'm not quite sure what.
And we haven't heard from Leslie Herbst or Carolyn Wetland or Kirk Sherman.
No.
Or Eric DeWalt. Oh, Eric DeWalt was friend with, or other.
We already
friend was
did
here.
that one.
Robert Dittman was here. Let's see.
Now, the 3:00 are the ones that we're waiting on. We've gone through everybody, I think.
Daniel De La Garza, Wayne Young.
No.
Okay, 3:00.
We just went a little too fast this time.
Can't go fast enough. DAs are busy. We got to cut them loose so they can go back and do God's work.
Well, let me tell you, Thursday, do not expect lunch because we have 12 people on the morning.
We have 12 MTRs?
Well, you've got 10 MTRs and 2 pleas.
Okay, all right.
Of the MTRs, we have 5 inmates. So it's going to take long.
That means you're going to show up. That's a good
Lunch for the afternoon, we've got 18 or 19, maybe the full 20, probably.
Okay. Sounds like a normal Thursday to us.
Because we also have VTC people that are coming on board as well.
Okay.
I may have to start going completely next week.
See what a good job our DAs are doing. Our old DAs never produce those kind of numbers.
They're doing very well. Mr. Dilly is on, Your Honor, and I'm not quite sure why he is. I think I reset him, but I'm not sure.
I got invited to Nick Maru's and his
I did too.
fiance's. Oh, you're great. I guess it's a shower. Is that what you would call it? Some kind of wedding?
No, I thought that's the wedding.
Anyway, so I sent him. Is that the wedding?
I don't know. I got the invitation for the wedding.
Anyway, I sent to what is his fiance's name?
Lauren.
Lauren. I sent basically to Lauren, and it was like an ice bucket. And I said, if you're going to be married to Nick, you need to drink a lot. And so this ice bucket will help you.
Poor Nick. That's
Davey Dilly, long time no see.
Hi,
Judge.
Mr.
How's it going?
Dilly?
Hi, Pat.
Hi, how are you doing? But who do you have? I thought we reset yours, maybe?
I've got Sabas Garza apparently.
There you go.
That's
All right,
correct.
he knows better than I do.
What's going on with Sabas Garza?
Your Honor, if I could talk to the state and get something worked out and get a result today.
If you hang around till we're finished, I got time to do that probably. But in the middle of arraignment, we don't have enough.
Mr. Dilly, we don't do pleas on Tuesdays. We reset them for Thursdays only. Pleas are done on Thursdays.
We can reset till next Tuesday to give you time to confer at your ability with the state.
Okay.
And
Let's do that.
you let Pat know what you want to do, or they'll reset or whatever you want to do.
Will do. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
1 week. And then again, pleas are on Thursdays. Okay.
Pleas are on Thursdays.
Yeah, normally at 2 o'clock.
Thursdays, 2 o'clock.
Yeah. Just need
Perfect.
email addresses and you let me know when you're ready.
Will do. Hey, Your Honor, just by the way, FYI, I'm finally retiring from the Army Reserves this December. So.
Oh my God.
Are you
Can
full
you
colonel
believe-
yet?
Lieutenant Colonel, and I got selected as an alternate for War College, and I could have pushed the envelope to go on, but I'm too tired.
Well,
I'm exhausted.
Did you make it to the sandbox through all that? Didn't you go over there at least once?
You know, I was supposed to go to Afghanistan in 2 weeks before our engineer brigade got off ramped, and that's the closest I came.
Oh, darn.
Yeah, shucks.
Now you can't go through life doing things like I do, saying things like, gee, when I left Afghanistan, we were winning. I don't know what the hell they're doing.
That's true.
All right.
I to say that.
I expect to get an invite to the retirement party. Thanks.
Most definitely.
All right.
Take care.
Bye, Mr. Dilly.
If I could talk to one of the ADAs, if possible.
We got time now. Can one of you guys go talk to Mr. Dilly?
Let me hold on. It would be an even, so that would be Megan, right?
Yeah,
All right.
Pat.
Megan's gonna go out in a chat box and beat you up here, so it'll be fun.
Okay, there you go. And Mr. D, room 1. There you
Thank
go.
you.
Did you get it, Megan? There you go. All righty.
Okay, Guy Ramo, you're on your own.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you want
And-
me to get off of YouTube at this point?